Good evening. My name is Adham Amr. This presentation was done and recorded to showcase the popsicle stick bridge constructed by team number 1, group 1A, who are participating in the competition this year. The names are Katrin Hassam, Adham Amr, Muhammad Saeed, Manar Tahir, Rasha Magdi. A brief introduction about Dream Bridge. The Popsicle Stick Bridge competition project was a challenging experience for us as freshman engineering students. We focused on producing a bridge that followed the instructions given in our course with a touch of creativity and style to add to the project's value. We had to make sure that our project's presentation is a unique one. Hence, we added a 3D model done by student Katrin Assom on the AutoCAD software. It perfectly represents the shape we had in mind for the popsicle bridge. As you can see, the roadway, the trusses, and the support are well represented, including their details. The details of our bridge are as following. The bridge height equals 23 centimeters. The weight of Dream Bridge equals 2 kilograms. The total number of sticks used is 1,380 sticks. 480 of them are used in the trusses construction, 440 are used in the roadway construction, and 454 sticks are used in the construction of the support.
Hello, my name is Katrin. Here we will explain how the design of the bridge was chosen. At the first, we did researching, and we found that for designing safe bridge structures, the engineering design process includes the following steps. First, developing a complete understanding of the problem. Second, determining potential bridge loads. Finally, combining these loads to determine the highest potential load. We focus on choosing the best and simplest bridge to be constructed. As shown in figures, each part of the bridge is inspired from a different design. Our bridge's idea is a mixture of several realistic bridges constructed in many countries. So you could find our trusses in a design and the support in another design. Now, it's time to describe the construction sequence. Roadway construction. The roadway is constructed as to be able to sustain the required weight and support the whole body of the bridge. We choose to make the sticks horizontally attached to add strings and support the whole bridge. The truss construction. Based on our statics study of trusses, we choose to build a truss that adds support and architecture design to our bridge. It also helps the roadway to sustain weight and gives a good appearance to the bridge. We were inspired by this design from a real different design.
My name is Muhammad Saeed Abdelmanam. In step 3 we will discuss support construction. Adding a support to the bridge was a very important step, as it distributes the weight on the bridge equally, so the strength of the bridge increases and the weight becomes more sustainable. How is load transferred to support? First, the load is transferred to the truss and then it distributed equally on all joints of the truss. Then finally the load is transferred to the support so that the bridge can withstand the load. Also, designing the roadway above the truss, we have tried to attach each X in the truss to the roadway as to help supporting and lifting the load without being unbalanced. What was the most difficult part of building the bridge? The most difficult part of building the bridge was building and balancing the truss. We faced several problems with sticking the joints perfectly together and attaching the arms of the truss near each other without gaps so as not to weaken the bridge and to make sure that the bridge will bear all weight. Lessons that we have learned from making our bridge. The first lesson is teamwork. Working as a team was a great experience and made us improve our skills by sharing our ideas and trying to get the best out of them, and trying to achieve a common goal or to complete a task in the most effective and efficient way.
My name is Rasha Magdi. Creativity and thinking out of the box was one of the most important skills we have learned throughout the project. After researches and looking at many bridges designs, we were able to come out with a bridge that is completely our choice, and we tried to add our ideas to build a unique bridge with a unique style. Time management. Dealing with the project's deadline was one of the most challenging things that we had to deal with throughout the project, although it added to our time management skills as we tried to work according to a schedule and according to fixed timings, and we had to finish our tasks on time. Accuracy. Dealing with very small and fine wooden sticks made us keen on producing very accurate measurements and angles, which made out this flawless and smooth look of the bridge's parts, as you can see in the following pictures. Technical writing. We needed to document every step and stages of building through the whole process. So, learning technical writing skills was one of the most sufficient lessons that we learned throughout the project, and also it helped us in writing the report according to the project's requirements.
Hi. Firstly, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Manar Tahir. Secondly, I will answer our important question, how the project affected our view on engineering. We saw the professional, responsible, and ambitious side of engineering and learned how to deal with realistic engineering works and projects in an excellent way. And here's to the most important thing that has affected our view on engineering, which is that we learned how to deal with raw materials and how to get the best out of them. We used wooden sticks to build out a huge bridge that is meant to sustain loads. Finally, a lot of thanks. We would like to thank our respectful doctors and our teacher assistants for allowing us to get an experience from this project and take the opportunity to try handling this responsibility. Thank you so much for helping us whenever we needed. A lot of thanks to my lovely teamwork, my friends, the people that I had the honor to work with them. Thank you so much for learning me a lot of things. And their names are Adham Amer, Muhammad Saeed, Rasha Magdi, Katrine Isam, and finally me, Manar Tahir. And thank you so much for our lovely doctor, Dr. Nagwan Gamal. Thank you.